Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video. Got a little bit of old snow, mud. It's about 30 degrees out. It's not getting above freezing today, but in front of me we've got an 05 Ford F250 3/4 ton pickup, and it's got a couple of goodies on it, as you can see. But we just pulled it out early this morning. It's been sitting for a couple hours, so actually got remote start on this one, so we're going to cold start it while we're out here talking. Miles on this truck, we'll check when we get inside. It's in the 180 somewhere. Really clean truck, XLT, a little bit of lift, 20 by 12s, fender flares, Harley Davidson headlights, EGR delete, exhaust, tinted windows. A couple of goodies on it, but as you can see, it starts right up. And it's cold out. I mean, it's 30 degrees. You can see snow out on the ground, still remnants. But no smoke, nothing weird, nothing strange. It's a strong running 6-liter. The exhaust tip was chosen by the previous owner. It's on there though. Sounds good. All right, well, let's get to the details inside because I'm freezing my butt off. So. Whew. Oh, it's not much warmer in here, but it is. Just rolled 180, 43 miles into 180. So, as you can see, she is cold over there. No check engine lights, no warning lights on the dash. It's a pretty good old running truck. It's got some dark window tint on it, including the front window. We've got a Bluetooth dual double DIN head unit with all the goodies on it to wirelessly connect your smartphone, Pandora, iPod, all the good stuff. Hot heat, cold AC, factory integrated trailer brakes, which killed the truck because I was in remote start mode. So we're going to do a mildly warm start here. And we've got onboard Firestone airbags with the compressor. I don't know if it's hooked up or what I gotta do. And you got your remote for your DVD player in there. Cup holder, center console truck, seating for 5, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We're upgraded to the 2008 model Super Duty mirrors, and they are power. But yeah, all in all, very nice truck. And it's got remote start, keyless entry. That's what that is up there. You got a couple little minor stains in the cloth. Nothing the good detailing couldn't take care of. Sliding rear window. Does have a leather tonneau-like cover on the bed too to protect it. But let's pop the hood and head out and check under the hood. Now we get a lot of trucks in here. Sometimes I butcher the detail, guys, so check the website, everything for the exacts. But this truck is stock studs and has an EGR delete and an aftermarket 4-inch exhaust. Someone painted these pipes blue at one point. They didn't do a great job. It was not sinister. Oh, it's starting to do a little snowing out now. Got Motorcraft batteries in it. No blow by at all though. None. That's good. So going over the truck, it has paint to match front and rear bumpers. That's what that gold is. It's really nice looking. The Ford logo's a little bit faded right there. The grill's in great shape. It's not popping or cracking or doing any of that weird stuff. We put on the Harley Davidson headlights with the clear corners. We smoked out the mirror lights and the 5 highs. Truck just went into high idle, by the way. That's what that is. You got a little bit of bubble and rust on the front bumper. Just some little touch-up spots. Nothing huge. Pretty good condition overall. This truck is not beat up. There is a little rust on the bed under the fender flares. 3-inch lift kit up there. 20 by 12 ion wheels. -44 offset. Black and milled. Brand new 35s, amp all-terrains, 40,000 mile tread warranty. It's what we run on everything here. It's got your stock upgraded running boards. Cab corner's actually in really nice shape on this truck. Little bit of rust on the bottom starting to show itself. Not a bunch, but a little bit. Truck is clean as far as body damage goes. There's no real dings or dents in it that I'm seeing. Like I said, there was some rust on the bed. We grinded it out. We put the Permatex rust preventative spray on there, and the fender flares are painted to match Albuquerque gold. It's a truxedo folding tonneau. We've got a bed liner, trailer plug-in right there. You got your gooseneck turnover ball in the bed, and this bed liner, it folds up and buttons down in the back there, so you can still tow and keep it on and use it. Painted gold rear bumper, smoked out tail lights. Pretty sharp truck all around. You're hearing the high idle. It's that exhaust is mean and throaty. Sounds great though. Got a little dirt on it. This truck throws a little bit of mud with these wide tires, so it's hard to keep it clean. But you guys are seeing it. It's nice. It's ready to go. It's turnkey. It's a heck of a rig. Gets a lot of attention. People love it. I mean, it's obviously a sharp looking truck. All the responses on it so far have been great. Sorry for the delay in getting the video to you guys, but I hope this helps make your decision. If you have any additional questions, easiest just to get a hold of us, 816 Diesel. Shop number is 298-7030. We're here 6 days a week. We take Sundays off. 816diesel.com. That's our website. It has the most up-to-date information, pictures, VIN number, any information you might need, including mine. My name's Cameron. My cell phone's 913-735-3748. Please let me know if you have any questions or would like to make an appointment to come see it. But that's it. Thanks for your time, guys. You have a great week out there.